Hello and welcome to December Doodles with Catherine. Today we will be drawing a Christmas wreath. Lightly draw a circle. This will be the inside of our wreath. Then lightly draw another slightly bigger circle around that. If the circle you drew first is a bit too big, that's okay, you can draw your second circle inside it. It doesn't matter as long as you've got one circle inside another. Next we're going to add a bow by drawing two overlapping triangles like this. And then two long thin rectangles for the ribbons on the end. Now let's add some details. We're going to draw a jaggedy line all around the edges of the circles. That will make it look like leaves sticking out. Now we can rub out our guide circles and smooth out our bow. Remember to rub out your guidelines. Then colour in your bow. I'm going to do mine a nice bright red. Let's add some scribbly greens. If you've got a few different coloured pencils, you can hold them all together and then use them all at once to get a nice leafy wreath effect. Ta-da! You've drawn a Christmas wreath. What will you do with yours? I hope you enjoyed creating that. Keep your pictures safe so you can come back to them later on in December Doodles. See you tomorrow!